Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to get verified on PayPal. It's a full tutorial about it, and if you are struggling from verifying your account and how to verify, it's not a typical process like we usually do with other platforms. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you what is PayPal. PayPal is a digital platform and it offers convenient, secure transaction online. It's widely accepted and support international transactions and provides buyer and seller protection. With PayPal, you can link your bank account and also your credit cards and debit card, making it easy to make purchases without constantly entering payment details. So let's get started without any wasting our more of our time. So right now, if you click on the top right corner sign up, it will take you right over here. And here you can see we have two options. You can go either way because we can change it later on and I will show you why we need to change it. So if you went for, personal account, it's okay. And if you have a personal account, it's okay. But I would prefer go with the business account. So that would open up more options for you. That's my opinion. So you can just go either way, by the way. And once you create your account, just you will go through these process like your email, and you need to select your country also, obviously. And after that, at the end, you will have to enter. This is required that you need to enter your phone number. So remember that. Once you done all that, you will end up over here. This is what it looks like whole PayPal dashboard. You can also say that, and this is how it looks like. On the top right corner, you will find your developer and help options, and at the front you will see that your balance, your currencies, and obviously home, activity, pay and get paid, and other stuff. So the first thing which you need to understand that you need to have your business account. And if you want to switch your personal account to business account, it's very easy. Just go to the top right corner and you will see something like this. And on the top right corner, you can see that we have profile settings. Once you click on profile settings, it will take you right over here, and make sure you will end up at login and security. And once you click on login and security over here, go to the bottom, like very bottom, and here you will see business. So this is the account for business. And once you click on close, it will show up both type, like you want business again or you want personal. You can just click on personal. And if you're on personal, you can just go, business. So right now it's business account. This is my account. So this is what I was saying, that business account is very useful in my opinion. And the next thing which you need to do, you need to click on pay and get paid. And on the top, as you can see, these menu options. Once you click on that, it will open up something like this. And here you can see that we have options for bank and cards. So why would we need to go for bank and cards? Because we need to verify, right? So it's not about typical process for verifying it. Now that you have created your PayPal account, the next step involves ensuring its security through a verification process. This verification is not limited to typical PayPal. Instead, it encompasses the addition of balances, various currencies, as well as linking bank cards and both credit and debit cards to confirm that the account is only accessible to the rightful owner. So this is all verification is all about in PayPal. So once you click on bank and cards, it would take you right over here, and here you will see your bank account and your credit cards if you have already added that. So here you can see at the bottom credit cards, and at the top we have one bank account. You can also click on link a new bank account, and it will open up a new window where you can enter details. And obviously it goes same with the cards. And if you click on card, you will see that we will have more information regarding it. And at the bottom, if you want to update your card, you can also do that from over here. And if you want to remove, you can just click on remove card. It's a very simple process. Everything is in front of you. You just need to enter your details related to your credit card. And if you want to update, you can also do that. If you want to remove, you can also do that. So it's a very easy process. After all of this, you can see that we can also add link, we can also add your card like I told you before, and this is how it looks like. So once you're done with all of this, After all of this, you need to end up over here. So let's just say you have added all your card details or your bank details, and after that you will see something like this. Here you will see your card, your name if you have added, and here is the option like want to use your PayPal account with no spending or withdrawal limits, confirm your card. Or if you added your bank account, it would say like confirm your bank account, right? So once you click on confirm your card, click on your card, and you will end up over here and click on confirm your card. What it happens, it would take you right over here, and here the whole verification process or the whole bank account verification process or the card process would end up over here. This is where you are going to actually starting to verify. So here PayPal is telling you that it would deduct $20 from your card, and it takes it like it usually appears within 4 to 6 business days. What a code which PayPal would generate after deducting $20 from your account, and it will refund later on after 6 or 4 days, so 4 business days. So just remember that. So you can see over here, after you request a code, will charge $20 to your card. It usually appears within 4-6 business days. After you confirm it, we will refund the amount within 24 hours. So you get the idea how it's going on. And once you get the message, you get the code, it would seem something like this. The sample card statement, as you can see, PP means PayPal, and your code would be over here. This code you will you need to enter once you receive the code, and after that just click on get a code. After few days or sometimes it takes a week, so don't get panic. And once you receive your code, sorry, you will end up over here again. So here you can see it would seem something like this. Enter the code to confirm your card. Click on this, and here you are going to add your code. And after that, just click on confirm, and it would be verified. Your card has been verified. Your bank account has been verified, and obviously your PayPal account has been verified. So this is all you need to know. After that, if you haven't forget to confirm your card or verify your card, it would also show up something like this at the dashboard as once you end up at home. So it will give you as a notification that you might have forgetting to check your messages, so you can enter your code. So this is also a way they are trying to confirm your account. So this is how to get verified on PayPal. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.